Thanks to Dr. Ezra Sipahi for the invitation. Technology has transformed sectors of the economy. Through it, operations have been carried out in a more agile, practical, and safe way and in a shorter time, providing increasingly better results for companies that have been betting on these innovations to stand out in the market in which they operate. With the arrival of the pandemic, there were sectors that needed to be changed and innovative technologies were essential. The main activities that reinvented themselves during the pandemic were health, laboratories, commerce, industry, education, transportation, customer experience, cybersecurity, cloud hosting, and in turn, the economy. In civil construction, new investment alternatives are emerging, as is the case with this project. City of the future in Saudi Arabia without cars or carbon emissions. The project sees itself as a revolution in urbanism, promising to put people first and improve quality of life. The dream of the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia took another step towards becoming a reality. 5 years after presenting NEOM, its ideal of life in the future, a green, efficient, robotic, and ultra-technological city on the shores of the Red Sea, it has now presented the design of its bulwark, the line. This new urban concept is 200 meters wide, 170 kilometers long, and has a skyscraper 500 meters high. It should have the capacity to accommodate 450,000 people in 2026, between 1.5 and 2 million in 2030, and in 2045, 9 million. The concept of urban revolution that offers an unprecedented living experience while preserving the surrounding nature. According to the project presented, the main difference with current urban developments is that of an environment free of roads, cars, and emissions. It will run on 100% renewable energy, and instead of traditional cities based exclusively on transport and infrastructure, it will prioritize people's health and well-being. This city will also help preserve 95% of the land, a designation given to this area located on the shores of the Red Sea in Saudi Arabia. One of its main revolutions will be to reduce the space needed for infrastructure and create unprecedented efficiency in urban functions. Residents will also have access to all facilities within a 5-minute walk, plus a high-speed train that will take just 20 minutes from one end to the other. It stresses that they are committed to a revolution in urbanism that puts people first and is based on a radical change in urban planning. The line will address the challenges humanity faces in today's urban life and demonstrate alternative ways of life. Unlike tall buildings, this concept groups together public parks and pedestrian zones, schools, homes, and workplaces so that people can move around effortlessly and reach all their daily needs in 5 minutes. Another of the line's innovation will be that city design will be fully digitized and construction will be largely industrialized through advancing building technologies and manufacturing processes. We cannot ignore the quality of life and the environmental crisis facing the world's cities. The project is at the highest level of technological environmental innovation for the environment in the search for new and imaginative solutions for these environmental problems, linked to the tripod of sustainability, economic, environmental, and social. NEOM remains one of the Saudi vision's most important projects for 2030. Stakeholders and investors say they are determined to make the line a reality in the desert. This is proof that anything is possible. Thinking about smart cities can be a complex exercise, but luckily we have experts who have dedicated themselves to this. According to experts, the seeds of the concept of smart cities can be found in a series of conversations between scholars and practitioners in the 1980s. The examples of the time had in mind realities such as those of Silicon Valley, or they spoke of future urban centers with advanced information fiber optic complexes. Today, experts cite the inevitable adoption of technologies such as the Internet of Things, Wi-Fi, big data, cloud computing, and mobile apps, supported by fiber optic infrastructures, mobile networks, data centers, and suitable devices that will allow to respond to the challenges and to the transforming visions of urban areas. A smart city uses information and communication technology to improve operational efficiency, share information with the public, and provide a better quality of government service and citizen well-being. Smart cities are not just a concept or a dream of the future, but many of them are starting to take shape thanks to innovative solutions based, for example, on the Internet of Things. Another possible path is the use of low-power cellular and wireless technologies to connect and improve infrastructure efficiency, convenience, and quality of life for residents and visitors. Thank you. Bye.